Creating videos has never been easier. Today, I'm diving into VideoExpress AI, a powerful AI video creation platform that turns your ideas, text, or images into fully animated videos instantly. If you're a content creator, marketer, or online business owner, you're going to want to see this. Let's be honest, producing good video content usually takes time, skills, and expensive tools. Editing, animation, voiceovers, scene creation, it adds up fast. But what if you could generate full videos just by typing what you want? No editing timeline, no cameras, no technical complexity. That's where VideoExpress AI comes in. It's an all-in-one AI platform designed to help anyone, literally anyone, create stunning, dynamic videos in seconds, straight from your browser. Text-to-video generation. Just type your description. For example, a cinematic drone shot over snowy mountains at sunrise, and VideoExpress AI instantly generates a video based on your prompt. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, ads, storytelling, reels, and more. Image-to-video animation. Got a photo? VideoExpress AI can animate it with motion effects, camera movement, and lifelike dynamics. Great for products, portraits, or creative visuals. AI in-painting and object removal. You can remove unwanted elements using AI in-painting, and the tool automatically fills the space naturally. Motion brush tool. Want certain parts of your image to move? VideoExpress AI lets you paint motion into static photos. Add flowing hair, moving water, glowing lights, whatever you need. AI face swap and talking photo. You can turn a photo into a speaking character with synced lip movement, or swap faces for creative videos and character-based content. AI voiceover, or text-to-speech. The platform includes multilingual AI voices, natural, clear, and ready to use. Great for tutorial videos, product reviews, announcements, and social media clips. No watermarks, no monthly subscription. One of the best parts are no subscription fees. VideoExpress AI offers a one-time purchase, making it extremely budget-friendly for creators and small businesses. This tool is perfect for content creators on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, small business owners, marketers and advertisers, educators and presenters. Anyone who wants to create videos fast without editing skills. You can use VideoExpress AI to create product ads, travel videos, music visualizers, motivational reels, animated storytelling, explainer videos, promo content, even AI-driven short films, all in minutes. Pros: extremely easy to use, fast generation, all-in-one tools, animation, voice, editing, affordable, no subscription, good for beginners and pros. Cons: generation results can vary based on prompt, requires experimentation for consistent style. Online connection required. If you want to create videos effortlessly without editing headaches, VideoExpress AI is definitely worth trying. It puts the power of AI video production right at your fingertips. If you want to explore VideoExpress AI for yourself, check out the link below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial or prompt ideas.